Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous wrap style dress. So let's begin. So begin by folding the fabric in half and place a loose fitting blouse on the folded edge. This is a 60-inch wide fabric. From the top of the fabric, measure down 11 inches for the armhole measurement. Then mark your desired width of the dress. Ensure the dress is not too tight. Then mark your desired length. Mine was approximately 45 inches long. At the end of the fabric, measure down 11 inches for the sleeve width. Next, join the armhole and the sleeve together. Then join the armhole to the length of the dress. Then draw out a small curve under the armhole. Now carefully cut out the dress pattern. Once you've done, carefully pin the sides together. From the folded edge, measure 7 inches for the neckline and mark. You can cut a small slit to mark the neckline. Now copy the exact pattern piece on the same fabric, as this will give us the front and the back pattern pieces. Remember to add a notch for the neck measurement. Now place the two pattern pieces right sides together and pin the sides. Also pin at the shoulders up to the neck point. Now for the wrap part of the dress, you need to fold the fabric in half again. Measure your desired length of the wrap. Mine was 46. I could have gone a little bit longer. Carefully cut this out. Fold the wrap skirt in half. From the open edge, measure down 15 inches and mark this point. From approximately 3 inches down from the top, draw a slight curve to the 15-inch point. Then carefully cut this out. Now onto the stitching. Take your dress and stitch the sides of the dress first. Once you've done this, this is how it should look. Next, hem the sleeves. Then hem the neck opening. Once you've done this, you can stitch the shoulders up to the neckline measurement. And this is how your dress should now look. Finally, you can hem the dress to finish. Next, take the skirt pattern piece and hem the skirt all the way around. And this is how it should look once done. Then take a 4-inch wide strip, approximately 20 inches long, fold right sides together and top stitch. Use a safety pin to turn the strip inside out. And this is what you should get at the end. Next, fold and cut the strip in half. Next, pin and stitch each strip at the top ends of the skirt. And this is how it should look once complete. And that completes the outfit, and this is how it should look. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you next time.